Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Uwalaka Street in Umuahia, and I'm going to drive down from where I'm going to connect to Lagos Street, all in Umuahia, and I'm going to drive around and show you guys through the lens of my camera what's up, what's going on in Umuahia this weekend. If the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you watch the video and you find it interesting, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the videos. So the houses around Uwalaka Street in Omaha, the houses and the shop complex, they look a bit old. Some of the structures you are seeing here, they were built a long time ago. Some of them too are still new. Some of them were reconstructed. So along this road, you get residential buildings, and you also get shopping complexes like shops where people sell, goods and the rest of them. So watch this video down to the end. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If I pass the places, where you live or where you once did business or where you still do business, you can tell us in the comment section. Umuahia is looking better than it used to be, in terms of being clean. Everywhere is just clean, actually. We have tricycles in the town. It makes movement very, very easy. Some cities like Owerri, you don't see tricycles in Owerri, but in Umuahia they still use tricycles. And for me, I really like it, and I don't want it to be banned, if you ask me, because of how it makes transportation inside the city, very easy. Even outside of Umuahia, it makes transport, makes going from one place to the other very, very easy. So stay tuned as I'm driving to Lagos Street. I'm going to be showing you very soon how Lagos Street is this weekend. Happy new month to my subscribers, my viewers, returning viewers, all of you all that always, make our time to, watch my videos. I wish you all a prosperous month. And as the ember, the good things of ember will locate all of you. When you game anybody at all, So guys, watch the video down to the end. Please click the share button if you can and help me share the video.